Hey Fox, hello and welcome to this YouTube channel. In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to fix .NET Framework 3.5 error 0x800f081f in Windows 11. So without any further ado, let's get started. The very first step that you need to do is you need to proceed to the description box. You would be able to see a link there, which I'll be pasting. Okay, which is this. Okay, just have to access that and then download that file. You would be redirected actually to a file where you would be up to download. Just have to download such, and once you have downloaded it, in my case, I have already downloaded in my computer, but in your case, you have to download such so that we can proceed. Okay. Once you have downloaded it, just have to open your file explorer and wait until the file explorer will be ready. Okay, here you need to proceed on downloads. Okay, and select the Microsoft Windows that we have just downloaded. Okay, and click this scissor icon to cut. And here you need to move on your C drive. Okay, and you need to do a right click here and click this paste icon. Okay, so once you have the pasted it, you need to close this window and we need to proceed to our next step. Our next step will be here at the bottom search bar. You need to type for CMD. Once you have typed it, you need to proceed to the best match, which is the command prompt system. Here, you need to click on Run as Administrator. So control will ask you to say yes, just go with yes so that you would be able to give permission on running the command prompt as administrator. So here you need to paste a long command which I'll be including at the description box below. So no worries for that. Okay, just have to copy this, which is dism.exe space forward slash online space forward slash enable dash feature space forward slash feature name colon net fx3 space forward slash source colon c colon backward slash space forward slash limit access. Just have to copy this, and here in this area you need to do a right click, go with edit and click on paste. Once you have pasted it, just have to click on enter and wait until it will be done. Okay, so it will take some time, but it will definitely be worth it since it will help you to fix your problem. Once you have the once the process will be done, you need to close this window and then you need to restart your computer. Once you have restarted it, check if your problem has been fixed. I'm sure it will be fixed. Okay, so that is the step on how to fix your problem. If you think this video helps, then don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button, as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching this video and take care everyone.